If ChatGPT image editing is not working for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to editing images quickly. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for anyone who uploads an image and nothing happens, gets an error, or finds that the edit feature just won't respond the way it should. Before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides just like this one. Let's get into the first fix. Step 1 is to check the image format and file size. ChatGPT works best with common image formats like JPG and PNG, so if your image is in a different format, that could be part of the problem. If the file is too large, it may also fail to upload properly or may not process correctly. Try reducing the file size before uploading it again. You can do this using a photo compressor, an editor, or even a simple export setting on your phone or computer. If your image is already in JPG or PNG and the size looks reasonable, move on to the next step. Step 2 is to use the correct prompt. A lot of people make the mistake of uploading an image without giving clear instructions. ChatGPT usually needs a specific editing request, not just the image by itself. For example, instead of simply uploading a photo and waiting, try typing something like, "Edit this image, remove the background, and enhance quality." You can also be more specific depending on what you want done. The clearer your instructions are, the better chance you have of getting the result you want. So if the tool is not responding, don't assume it is broken right away. First, make sure your prompt is direct, simple, and easy to understand. Sometimes the issue is not the upload at all, but the way the edit request was written. Now let's move to step 3. Refresh the page or re-upload the image. Sometimes ChatGPT just needs a quick reset. A refresh can fix temporary glitches, and uploading the image again can help if the first upload did not process correctly. If you are on desktop, refresh the browser page and try again. If you are using the app, close the conversation and start a new one, then upload the image again. This small step often solves problems that seem more complicated than they really are. If it still is not working after that, go to step 4 and check your feature access. Image editing is not always available in every mode, every account, or every version of the app. In some cases, the feature may be limited depending on the model you are using. Try switching to a different model if that option is available, or update the app to make sure you are on the latest version. Sometimes a feature simply hasn't rolled out yet for your account, so checking access is very important. If you are using ChatGPT on mobile, an outdated app version can also cause image tools to fail. Updating the app, signing out and back in, or switching devices can sometimes fix the issue instantly. If the feature is available on one device but not another, that's a big clue that the problem is related to access or compatibility rather than the image itself. So to recap, if ChatGPT image editing is not working, first check the image format and file size. Then make sure your prompt is clear and specific. Then refresh or re-upload the image, and finally check whether your account or mode actually has access to the image editing feature. In most cases, one of these 4 steps will fix the issue. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.